a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 2 p.m. At 12:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shelby, or near Lowell, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lamont, Hebron, Wheatfield, Rose Lawn, Counts, Dunn's Bridge, Bailey's Corner, Stoutsburg, and Fair Oaks. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 225 and 232. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.